Hi, and welcome back. Do you want to change the camera mode in Roblox on your iPhone or Android device? Well, in this hands-on video, I'll show you how to easily switch camera mode in Roblox step by step so that you can customize the way you view and control your gameplay. So whether you want a better third-person view, smoother controls, or enhanced gameplay visibility, this tutorial will help you adjust the camera settings quickly and easily. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Roblox app on your device. And then you have to hit the Roblox icon located at the upper left corner of the screen. Now you have to hit the settings tab located right at the top. Then you have to head over to View and Control section. After that, you have to tap on the camera mode option and then choose the preferred camera modes like Classic, Follow, or Default, and you are all set. So that's how you can easily change the camera mode in Roblox on your iOS or Android device. I hope this tutorial helped you perfectly customize your gameplay experience and make the controls more comfortable for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.